Why do girls like pink? Society. The cultural components of sex difference in color preferences.
Girls like pink, boys like blue. It's in their biology, right?
Global culture has woven this idea into our heads, suggesting a natural sex difference in color preferences. Supporting this idea, the color preference evolution theory demonstrates that historically, as gatherers, women must be aware of reddish pink hues as it indicates edible food, causing girls to prefer pink. Furthermore, many studies find that girls do prefer pink more than boys.
However, these studies only took samples from locations highly connected to global culture.
This similarity between the studies raises the question, what if sex difference in color preferences was never natural, but in fact more because of exposure to global culture? Nurture as opposed to nature. The schema theory describes how global culture messages, such as gender toy advertising, affects children's perception of sex differences, like pink is for girls, resulting in a sex difference in color preferences. To test this theory that sex differences in color preferences are caused by global culture, a study by Jack T. M. Davis and colleagues recruited samples from locations with low connections to global culture to discover if they also have this sex difference in color preferences. The study recruited 250 children aged 4 to 11 from 3 rural areas with low connection to global culture, Lake Emira, Tana Island, and Northern Congo, and 1 location strongly connected to global culture, Brisbane. The children were grouped based on their location, and each child was given 5 pairs of objects, 3 pairs of squares, and 2 pairs of drawings, each with 1 pink and 1 blue colored object. Each child would then choose 1 object from each pair and receive 1 score for every pink object that they chose. They would then receive a score of 0 to 5, reflecting on their preference for pink. The scores were then compared between sexes in each group. The study finds that girls from Brisbane prefer pink significantly more than boys, also implying that boys may avoid pink because they think only girls prefer it. However, all 3 groups of children recruited from the rural areas show no sex difference in color preferences. In conclusion, Davis and colleagues said that findings suggest that sex differences in color preferences are caused by global culture. These results give valuable information to address the problematic idea of sex differences in color preferences in global culture. Why problematic? Well, it is theorized that the different toys children play potentially develop different skills in adulthood. Furthermore, global culture tends to gender code toys by color, which, for example, can restrict boys from playing with pink toys that they are interested in, restricting the skills development that they could have gotten from the toy. However, this culture can be revised with Jack and colleagues' findings. Parents should encourage children to stop caring about the color of the toys they are interested in and let them develop skills from them.